All right, here's the capacitor into the Trane XR air conditioner. Not rocket science, just take that one bolt out there, put the capacitor in, put the common wire on here, and I put the compressor wire on where it says H something. That's on where the C is. The fan connection is not used. That's it. I'm going to put this turkey back together. Call it a day. I'm glad it's working because it's awfully hot in Dallas, Texas, so you need AC. All right, and to put on this cover, you're just going to slip it in to the top. I'm only using one hand here, so it's not easy. Anyway, yeah, there it is. Look at that. Slip it into the top and put in 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Go back out, turn the power on, enjoy your air conditioning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh yeah, and this will probably go to a short. Anyway, here's the old capacitor. Here, and you could do this in 10 minutes really. It's not like this takes all that long. Just with one hand, you can't really show a video, but yeah, this thing had no capacitance left in it at all. I actually used a radio capacitor to start this thing up last night because it actually did start with this little capacitor, which surprised me. This is for radio. Chinese capacitor. It's 22 microfarads. But in a pinch, this thing got the thing started. And then I jammed it on 60 degrees all night, so it ran all night because I didn't trust that it would restart with this thing. Plus I had it kind of jumper wired in, which is really bad. So, but I didn't want to sweat all night. So anyway, once this thing started running last night, I kept it running. All right, that's my update on how to replace that evil capacitor in 5 minutes. Okay, you can do it. Make sure the power's off. Take that box, open it up, pull the fuses out. Don't get shocked. Have a nice day.